Welcome to Upart.in. If you are an artist or looking for one, this is the ideal platform for you. Simply select the Register tab to create your profile. Type your name, email address, phone number, password, and it's done. Now that you have access to all of Upart's benefits, there are numerous tabs visible on the top of your dashboard. As you select the artist option, a selection of services provided by various artists will be displayed. Choose the profile of the artist you desire. Additionally, you can look up reviews, achievements, packages, and the artist's portfolio. Visit the Instructional tab to learn from tutorials provided by different artists. You can browse the photo gallery as well as the weekly deal. Select any fantastic deal that appeals to you. Press View Detail and simply click Book Now. Now choose a preferred payment method. Your order will be placed, and once payment has been received, you can get in touch with the artist and initiate the project.